The Junior Identification Set Part Number JRIDSET is a series of measuring tools designed by Hose Warehouse to determine the correct preformed clamp when selecting Bandit Junior clamps in the JR series.
For 2-inch tank truck, this is bottoming out at the very last one, which is JS2099. So this tool, the smaller of the tools, is good for up to 2-inch and down to 3/4 inch. Here we have some 4-inch transporter Flex Devil by Thermoid. And you simply hold the bigger tool up, which is hose ID 2-inch and better, and simply put it on there. And if you can tell, it's telling you that JS2149 is the clamp that you're going to need. Here's a piece of FlexFab 4.5-inch ID silicone hose. And so we're going to take the 2-inch and higher, and it's bottoming out at a JS2159. So that's telling you the Bandit JS2159 is the clamp that you'd need, the preformed clamp that is made out of 201 stainless steel.
For this kit, and to purchase Bandit clamps, please visit www.hosewarehouse.com. You'll find a wide variety of stock and wholesale pricing.